Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use very less data in Instagram. First, let's talk about Instagram's built-in data saver. This handy feature significantly cuts down on your mobile data usage. When activated, it stops videos from preloading and ensures high-resolution media only loads when you're connected to Wi-Fi. You can easily find this option within your Instagram settings, usually under cellular data use or media quality. It's a simple switch that makes a big difference. Next, consider optimizing your media upload quality. While it's tempting to always share in the highest resolution, uploading photos and videos at a slightly lower quality can save a significant amount of data. Not only does it reduce your own data consumption during the upload, but it also helps others who view your content on mobile data. Look for the media upload quality option in your Instagram settings to make this adjustment. Another excellent way to conserve data is by controlling video autoplay. Videos can be major data hogs, especially when they start playing automatically as you scroll, even if you're not interested in watching them. By ensuring this feature is limited, perhaps through the data saver setting we discussed, you prevent unnecessary data drain. This small change can save you many megabytes over time, keeping your data plan happy. Finally, let's manage background data usage. Your phone's operating system allows you to disable background app refresh for Instagram. This means the app won't consume data updating content when you're not actively using it. Additionally, ensure that automatic downloads of photos and videos to your device's gallery are turned off. These two steps combined can significantly reduce hidden data consumption, giving you more control over your mobile plan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.